Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick update on my indoor aquaponics setup, plus do some few maintenance on it while you're watching what I'm doing. So about 2 weeks ago, I completed making this cabinet, which houses a 30-gallon fish tank in the middle with tilapia fish in the water, and on the very top I have two 17-gallon grow beds. Okay, inside my grow beds I'm utilizing red lava rock as my substrate while planting some herbs and flowers. I'm mixing the two. This is 100% experimental. I've never done anything like this, so I'm tweaking the system as we go, making mistakes as I fix them and learn more. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm basically going to be looking at the plants and removing some of the extra dead leaves, because this will clog up. Once they begin to decompose inside of the rocks, they're going to clog up those rocks, and those rocks serve two purposes. One, they are a home for the nitrifying bacteria, and two, they act as sieves. If you look on this red lava rock, first of all, it's very light too. It's porous. It has this little pores, like little air gaps or holes through them, and water goes through that to get sieved. So this is my filter, and I do not need to clean it out. I have a rubber band that is basically holding it onto that little bucket. And looking at it, I don't need to clean it up. Let's check this other one. Alright, I don't need to clean up that one either. So let's go ahead and look at the plants, assess them, see how they're doing. To start off, this flower right here is looking perfect. This is good. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little dead flower right here, put that on the side. Okay, if I don't want this basil to grow too tall, I'm just gonna cut right here to prevent that, but I want it to grow up a little taller, and then I'm gonna cut it from there. This right here is basically dying, so we need to go ahead and cut off some of the sections from it. Alright, let's go ahead and do some maintenance. Guys, I'm gonna get the right pair of scissors, okay? This is the right tools. This is not what I should be using to cut these plants, but in the meantime, it works for me. So I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna go ahead and just really cut all of them out. Let me leave this one. Alright, this is the next one. We're gonna trim that. I just don't want any of these leaves to touch the rocks. Alright, whatever is dry, I'm not gonna wait for it to decompose. Just gonna cut it out. Remove it before it starts decomposing in the grow bed. Alright, I'll leave it there like that. This is basil. far good. We're gonna remove this yellow one. This. So we're gonna cut this. Okay. We'll take a look at this. It's got some yellow leaves on this. Let's cut that. That's good. Okay. So that's one. We're gonna pick this up. You see, so it's already trying to decompose. Oh, we can't have that. The baby one, baby basil. Alright guys, so this system right here, like I said, it's experimental. I've never done this before. I'm just trying it out. Need some tweaks on it, and I'll fix those as I go. There might be some mistakes on it that I'm trying to fix as I learn, since I've never done something like this inside the house. But if you do have any tips, if you've done anything like this in your own house, let me know. Just share in the comments below, and those would be very greatly appreciated. Other than that, stay tuned for more updates. You don't want to miss any of those. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.